In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Shopify product descriptions with ChatGPT. We're going to walk through the full process, from opening your Shopify dashboard to pasting in a polished description that's ready to go live. By the end, you'll know exactly how to use AI to save time and still get high-quality, on-brand copy for your products. First, open your Shopify dashboard in your browser and log into your store. This is your main control center where you manage products, orders, and everything else. Once you're on the dashboard, look over to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. In that left-hand column, click on Products. This will take you to a list of all the products in your store. If you have a lot of items, you can use the search bar at the top or any filters to quickly find the one you want to work on. Next, click on the specific product you'd like to create a new description for. This opens the product details page. You'll see fields for the title, media, pricing, inventory, and of course, the product description area where we'll be pasting the text later. Keep this tab open, we'll come back to it. Now, open a new tab or window in your browser and head over to the ChatGPT website. Make sure you're logged in and ready to start a new chat. This is where we'll generate the actual product description. In the message box, type in a clear prompt describing what you want. For example, include the product type, key features, materials, target audience, and the tone you're going for, like professional, playful, or minimalist. The more detail you give here, the better the result will match your brand and your customers' needs. Once you've written your prompt, click the Send button. If you need to attach a file or reference image and that option is available, you can use the upload arrow next to the microphone icon. That can help provide even more context about your product. ChatGPT will then generate a product description for you. Read through it carefully and make any tweaks you need by asking for revisions, like making it shorter, more technical, or more SEO friendly. When you're happy with the text, highlight it, copy it, and switch back to your Shopify tab. On the Shopify product page, find the description field, click inside, and paste your new description. Scroll down and click Save to apply your changes. Your AI-generated product description is now live on your store.